ओके लेकिन इससे पहला वाला वीडियो जो है ना वो सब मैं आई एम गोइंग टू अपलोड इट ऑन द गूगल क्लासरूम. ठीक है बेटा.
ओके सर.
हाँ, so if you
Yes,
can't
sir.
hear me properly due to the low connectivity, low internet, don't worry, we will have the solution of that. I will upload these videos on the Google Classroom. ठीक है?
यस सर.
हाँ, चलो चलो. हाँ, तो अभी you are asking ना बेटा how to find g, so it is so simple. See, कौन सा इक्वेशन लेते हैं हम? ये वाला इक्वेशन लेते हैं. देखो कौन सा वाला? s is equal to ut plus half at square. ठीक है? So if you use this
Yes, sir.
formula, h is equal to half gt square. So what we will get? So it will be 2h. See, 2h. This half is getting. I am keeping g here. Rest all I am shifting. At 2h divided by t square is equal to g. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we get the acceleration due to gravity. If you have the height and you have the time, so double the height divided by time square is the acceleration due to gravity. So you just need to change the subject of the formula, beta.
ओके सर.
हाँ योगेश, समझ में आ रहा है ना? योगेश ना?
हाँ सर.
हाँ.
नहीं सर, मानव.
ओके सॉरी बेटा. ओके समझ में आ रहा है अभी?
यस सर, समझ गया.
हाँ चलो. सो अकॉर्डिंगली यू कैन चेंज. अब हम क्या करेंगे? वी विल सॉल्व सम इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन. ठीक है?
ओके.
चलो अब हम है ना इसके थोड़े इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन सॉल्व करेंगे ना. यू विल फाइंड द थिंग्स विल बिकम वेरी इजी. चलो हाँ, write down the first equation, the numerical now. Write down. Write down. A body starts from rest with a uniform acceleration of 2 meter per second square. 2 meter per second square. Find the distance covered by the body in 2 seconds. Clear? So what we observe here, now see, it's very simple to solve such numericals, beta. A body starting from rest with a uniform acceleration of 2 meter per second square. So a body which is starting from rest with a uniform acceleration of 2 meter per second square, find the distance covered by the body in 2 seconds. See how simple it is. We will first write down given. Okay. What is u? Say me, what is u?
0 meters
Sir,
per
U is
second.
0.
Right. Then v is not given. See, v is not given here.
Yeah.
Then a is given. How much is a?
2 meters per second.
2 meters per second.
Yeah, it's 2 meters per second square. And how much
Second
is the
square.
time? How much is the time?
2 seconds.
2 seconds.
Exactly. And what
2
is been
seconds.
asked? What is been asked? S is been asked.
Distance.
Okay.
Distance.
Yeah. So which equation of motion should we use here now? Say me. Out of these three equations, which we should use?
Sir, the
Sir, second one.
second one.
Second one.
Second one.
Okay, so let's do it then. Let's use the second one. So S is equal to U is 0 now. So initial velocity is 0. That term becomes 0. So the equation
मतलब
becomes
half AT square रहेगा formula.
half a t square. It will become half a t square. Chalo.
So 4 is the answer.
S is equal to
4 meters.
half a t square. Okay, so S is equal to half into acceleration. How much is the acceleration? 2. And how much is the time? 2. But it's not t, it's t square. So t square is 4. So half of get cancelled and we get the answer as 4 meters. See how simple the numerical is.
Yeah.
Clear, beta?
Yes.
Yeah. Chalo. Copied?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Should I start with the next? Should I start with the next numerical?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Start writing. But ensure you follow my style where you have to write down the given compulsory. Write down a body starts with initial velocity of 10 meter per second and acceleration of 5 meter per second square. Find the distance covered by it in 2 seconds. Find the distance covered by it in 2 seconds. Chalo. Write down the given first. Write down the given first. What is the initial velocity?
0.
Uh, what is
10.
the,
10 meter per second.
it's 10. What is A?
5
Five.
meters per second
5
square.
meters per second square.
Very good. And what is T beta?
2
2
seconds.
seconds.
What is been asked?
2 seconds.
Distance.
S.
S is been asked. चलो
S.
जल्दी से फाइंड करो. चलो जल्दी से फाइंड करो. How much is the answer?
30.
30.
Clear?
30 meters. Yes, sir.
So simple it is.
Yes, sir.
So 30 meters.
Chalo. Next. Done. Chalo. We will solve
Yes,
the
Yes,
next.
sir.
Copied.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Write down next. A bullet. Initially moving with a velocity of 20 meter per second strikes a target and comes to rest after penetrating a distance of 10 centimeter in the target. Calculate the retardation. Calculate the retardation caused by the target. Calculate the retardation caused by the target. Chalo. Write down the given. Are you getting the problem statement, class?
Yes, sir.
So, chalo. Write down the given. What is U?
20 meter per second.
Very good. It is 20 meter per second. What is S?
It's equals to 10 centimeters.
10 centimeter.
Yeah, it is 10 centimeter. So it is 10 centimeter means how much meter?
0.1.
0.1.
This is the very
बट
fundamental.
अगर मीटर्स में करेंगे तो फिर speed में problem आ जाएगी because speed नहीं है.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you. What, beta?
Sir, I was confused between the speed means I thought it is centimeter, but now I that's fine.
See, we have to take all the units in SI system. So, though it is given in centimeter, you cannot take in centimeter because your unit should be uniform. Okay, So that's why you have to convert your centimeter into meter. Otherwise, your answer will go completely wrong. What is V? What is V?
V is
Uh,
40
no,
meter per second.
no, it is
40
not
meters.
given. What is V? बच्चा लोग V क्या है? अरे यार जरा ठीक से पढ़ो न्यूमेरिकल को.
Okay.
What is, at least say me, what does that term?
Zero, sir. Zero.
Zero. Why? Because the
Sir,
bullet
because
comes
the
to
target
rest.
comes to rest.
So the V is 0. Okay. Then T is given? No. See, T is not given. And what is been asked? Acceleration means retardation is been asked. Okay. So A is our question mark. Yes. Now semi-class, look at it. This is our given. U is given, S is given, V is given, and A needs to be found. Now say me, which equation of motion you will use?
Sir, the third one.
Why not the first one or the second one?
Sir, because
Why not the first or
सर
the
नहीं
second?
समझा
the distance is not given. Sir, distance is not given.
No, sorry. Distance is
Sir,
given.
as the first two equations include time and time is not given.
Shreya, brilliant answer, Shreya. Very good, beta. See, why we cannot
Thank you,
use
sir.
the first and the second equation? Because time parameter is not given and A is also not given. Now, if two equations, A is what we have to find, T is not given. Can we use equation 1? No, because there will be two unknown variables. Okay, the same is here. A is there, A is what we have to find, and T is not given. So again, in equation 2 also, we will find there are two unknown variables. But in equation 3, you will find there is U is known to us, V is known to us, and S is also known to us. But what is not there? A is not there. So we have to use equation 3. Clear all of you?
3.
या सर.
हाँ
Yes,
रोनित
sir.
समझ में आया बेटा? तुम कह रहे थे ना नहीं समझ में आ रहा. रोनित समझ में आ
हाँ
गया?
सर अभी समझा सर.
हाँ.
Yes sir.
Ronit, you panic very quickly. Yeah, panic नहीं होने का बेटा. Okay, you will get the
Okay
answer.
sir.
Yes, don't panic. You will get the answer. चलो. So we are going to use the equation V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. ठीक है. चलो. So what is V? V is 0. Okay, is equal to U square 20 square means 20 into 20 plus. Now understand, is the object accelerating or retarding?
Retarding.
Retarding.
This will be plus or minus? This will be
Minus.
Minus.
into 2. And A is what we have to find. So A is as it is. And S is how much? S is 0.1. Okay, so what we will do now? All these terms which are in multiplication. So I will write here 0 is equal to 400 into 2 into 0.1, which will be 0.2
2 into A.
into A.
0.2 A.
So what will be A then? These two terms will be shifted on the other side. And what will be the answer?
Yeah.
400
So
into 0.2.
400 upon 0.2. So that equals to 2000.
2000.
How much is the answer?
2000.
Very good. It is
Meter per
400,
second.
2000 meters per
into
second.
0.2.
2000 per meter second.
Sorry, 400 into 0.2. So it will be 400 divided by 0.2. So what's the answer? The answer is coming out to be 2000 meter per second
Per
square.
second square.
Because it is. Now what is the question?
Acceleration.
Calculate the retardation. But we have already taken the answer as negative. Clear? We have taken the sign of A as negative. So that's why your retardation is 2000. Okay. Getting it?
Sir,
हाँ बेटा बोलो.
Is there another way of doing it? Like we already took it as retardation. What if we found it by the regular method and then
Then
if we want to
your answer will be minus 200. Your
okay.
answer will come out to be minus 200, beta.
Okay.
That's the reason why. Chalo, we will solve some more numericals. Wait a minute, बच्चा. हाँ, चलो. We will solve some more numericals. हाँ, चलो, done. Next numerical now. हाँ. A stone is dropped from rest and falls freely under gravity Calculate the distance covered by it in 5 seconds. Calculate the distance covered by it in 5 seconds. And here the value of G is given 9.8 meter per second square.
सर हमें कैल्सी अलाउड है क्या
हाँ,
स्कूल में
allowed,
कैल्सी अलाउ
allowed.
कर सकते हैं? ओके सर. तो सर इसमें हम लोग फाइनल वेलोसिटी वुड बी 9.8 ना एक्सेलरेशन वुड बी 9.8 देन ना
Acceleration is due to gravity, so gravity is 9.8 meters per second.
किसको आंसर मिला है क्या?
49 है मेरे हिसाब से आंसर.
मेरा 122.5 है.
Even I saw 122.5.
या
कौन सा फार्मूला यूज किया?
सेकंड वाला. ये इसको तो अलग ही मैंने सर
सर we cannot hear you.
फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला यूज किया तो 49 आता है। तूने फर्स्ट किया
हाँ
फिर
फर्स्ट,
लगता
मैंने फर्स्ट किया।
फर्स्ट करे या सेकंड करे, क्या होता है, क्या डिफरेंस? अपने को एक्सेलरेशन दिया है ना फर्स्ट वाले में, एक्सेलरेशन यूज कहाँ पे हुआ है? हम्म, लेकिन अगर फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला यूज करे कि सेकंड यूज करे, डिफरेंस क्या आ रहा है? मतलब फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है, तो दोनों में कुछ सेम ही दिया है सब, सिर्फ ए का डिफरेंस, ए भी दिया है।
ए का डिफरेंस है, ए भी है ना दोनों
नहीं
में।
ये है ना, बिकॉज ए इज एक्सेलरेशन 9.8
हाँ ना, वही तो 9.8 है ना।
और थर्ड यूज किया
तो
तो
दोनों का
व्हाट
डिफरेंस
इफ वी
डिफरेंट क्यों आ रहा है?
हाफ जीटी।
अनु तूने कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज किया?
घर पे बैठ के काम करने का नतीजा। हाँ सॉरी स्टूडेंट्स, हेलो
यस सर।
हेलो।
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा, किए
Yes,
सॉल्व?
sir.
फॉर
सॉल्व हो
यस
गया?
सर।
क्या आंसर आया?
हाँ सर, सबको बहुत अलग अलग आया है सर। 122.5 है।
हाँ देखो,
मुझे
लेट्स टॉक
10
इट।
आया।
कैलकुलेट एस, calculate the distance covered. S is equal to ut plus half at square. So u is 0, so our equation is half a t square. Yes or no? Yes. So S is equal to half. So half into acceleration due to gravity is how much?
9.8
9.8. And t is how much? 5. 5 square is
5 तो
5.
25।
So what's the big deal in that? अरे बाप रे, इतना easy equation है और तुम बोल रहे अलग अलग आंसर आया।
हाँ मिल गया।
How much is the distance? So it is
122.5
9.8 into 25, which is 245 divided by 2, so which is 122.5. Yes or no? So how much is the distance covered by the stone in the first 5 seconds?
122.5
122.5 meters।
हाँ, तो कितना easy है बेटा? Getting it? चलो, we will solve one more now. चलो, let's solve one more. Write down. We will write here itself. A stone is dropped freely in a river. Freely in a river from a bridge. From a bridge. It takes 4 seconds to touch the water surface. It takes 4 seconds to touch the water surface in the river. Calculate first the height of the bridge from the water level. From the water level. And second, the distance covered by the stone in 3 seconds. Chalo, start doing it. But here again the G value given to you
हाँ,
is
वही।
9.8 meter per second square. Chalo, start doing it.
ओके सर।
Now I'm not solving it. I want you to solve now. Chalo, start solving. हाँ, what's the answer बच्चा लोग?
सर नहीं सर, एक सेकंड, थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन.
कुछ कंफ्यूजन नहीं है अभी.
ओके सर, एक सर फर्स्ट का आंसर 39.2 है क्या?
नहीं, ठीक से करो बेटा, पहले जैसे इक्वेशन है.
ओके.
It takes 4 seconds to touch the water surface. How much time it takes? 4 seconds.
4.
सर इसमें ये वाला नहीं आ रहा है, इसमें एक्सेलरेशन नहीं समझ रहा.
अरे एक्सेलरेशन
सर
ड्यू टू
रुको सर, मेरा
ग्रेविटी
हो रहा है
9.8.
सर.
अरे बाबा, जो पहले सॉल्व किया ना वैसा ही है.
हाँ
S is equal to
हाँ सर आया.
the height of the bridge.
आया सर.
That is nothing but S.
7.4 है.
Height of the bridge is nothing but S ना रे बेटा. And initial velocity is 0. वही इक्वेशन है ना बाबा, क्या कर रहे हो तुम? S is equal to half.
Sir.
Acceleration is how much? 9.8. And T is how much? 4. 4 4s are 16. करो सॉल्व इसको. Getting it?
मेरा भी वही है सर, अभी जाके
हाँ.
78.4
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
है सर.
फटके देता तुम लोगों के में.
सॉरी.
9.8 into 16 is 156.8 divided by 2. 78.4 is
या
the
सर.
height of the 78.4 meter
The height of
is
the
the
bridge.
height of the bridge. Okay, and how
Bridge
much is the
from-
distance traveled in 3 seconds? So वही equation, फिर से वही equation. Distance traveled S is equal to ut plus half at square. लेकिन initial velocity तो 0 है. So again the equation is half at square. So S is equal to half. A is how much? Again 9.8. And how much is T? 3. 3 3s are 9. करो. So how much is the answer? 9.8 into 9. 88.2 divided by 2. 44.1. So how much is the distance covered by the stone in first 3 seconds? 44.1 meter.
या सर. या सर.
Yes, sir.
कितना इजी है बेटा, कितना इजी है. Okay, the only difference what I think you are facing is the is to figure out that what is S, what is H, what is A, what is
या
T.
सर.
हाँ, चलो.
फॉर्मूला
और
का
कभी कंफ्यूज हो जाता है.
Yes, sir.
नहीं, कंफ्यूज मत होना बेटा. देयर आर 3 इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन. चलो और एक न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करते हैं. राइट डाउन.
ओके सर.
डोंट वरी, आई विल गिव यू सम मोर न्यूमेरिकल्स एज अ होमवर्क. ओके, चलो राइट डाउन.
ओके सर.
A body or a stone, again stone, is dropped freely under gravity from the top of a tower of height 78.4 meters. Calculate first the time taken to reach the ground, and second the velocity with which it strikes the ground, and your G is 9.8. Sure. Start solve. Now write down the given first of all. Okay. A stone is dropped freely under gravity from a top of a tower. Okay. So how much is U?
Zero
U
meter.
is 0.
Zero.
Because it has been dropped. Okay. What is S? S is nothing but our height. Yes or no? So how much is the
Yeah.
distance?
Yes, sir.
78 point.
78.4 meters.
Now our acceleration is acceleration due to gravity. How much it is? 9.8 meter per.
9.8 seconds per.
And then what is the question? So T is the question, and calculate the
Yes,
velocity.
sir.
P is the question.
Yeah.
Yes or no? So these are the two things what we
Yes,
have to
sir.
calculate. चलो. So first of
सेकंड
all,
वाला फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे.
हाँ second वाला exactly.
Half
Second
AT
वाले
square.
फॉर्मूले से हमारा आता है S is equal to UT plus half AT square. So half AT
Yes,
square.
sir.
Exactly. But the problem is we will change the subject of the formula as T. So it
Yeah.
will be S into 2. Yes or no? S into 2
Yes, sir.
divided by A is equal to T square. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So T,
Yes,
so first we will find S. S is how much? 78.2 into 2 divided by 9.8 is equal to T square.
सर 78.4 आएगा ना?
Oh, I'm so sorry. What is it? 78.4. Yeah.
Yeah.
Check it. Whatever. 78.4 into 2 divided by 9.8 is equal to T square. What's the answer?
4 is the answer total.
Nah, T
The
square
time
is how
taken
much?
is 4 seconds.
T square is how
4.
much? Nah.
नहीं 16.
T square is
16.
16.
16.
So T is equal to under root of 16. That is 4 seconds.
4.
Yes,
And
sir.
then the next one, V we have to find. So V is what? V is equal to U plus AT.
Yes, 80.
So U is what? U is 0. So A is how much?
0.
9.8. And T is how much?
9.8.
T is 4. So find out.
4 seconds.
Find out.
So 39.2
39.2.
Very good.
meters per second.
9.2 meter per second.
Meters per second.
Yeah, meters per
Yeah.
second. Clear class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बोलो मुश्किल है
सर आज क्लास कितने बजे तक है?
बस खत्म
Nice.
हो गया टाइम हो गया
ओके.
5
Okay,
बजे
sir.
तक